Alright, so this is going to be a very quick video on how you can start making money online with Jumia with zero money down. So if you're interested in all the ways you can start making money online on Jumia with no money at all, literally nothing, stay tuned to the end of this video because I'm going to be revealing it all to you. So let's get started. Alright, so the very first one we're going to be starting with is by selling other people's products. Alright, so what do I mean by this? Well, firstly, the thing you need to actually do is approach an offline vendor. And when you approach that vendor, you tell them you would like to do business with them. And what I mean by this is that you tell them you like to do business with them in the sense that you sell things online, and then when you have orders, you would like to come pick it up from them and then deliver it. Once the customer pays, you pay them back. That is exactly what I mean by selling other people's products. So by doing this now, you don't even need to bear any risk. You don't even need to have any product with you. All you just have to do is upload the products online on your Jumia store or Konga or wherever you like to upload it. And then whenever you have that order, you come back and then pick it up from the vendor and then have it delivered to the customer, and then the customer pays you. If it doesn't deliver, no harm, you just return the item. It doesn't really mean anything, right? This is probably one of the best and the fastest way you can actually make money with zero money down. And signing up on Jumia or signing up on Konga, wherever you like to sign up in, it's extremely easy. So this is actually a no-brainer. All right, by doing this though, some vendors, some offline vendors, when you've not developed that relationship with them yet, they might not want to agree with you taking the item and then delivering it. After delivering it, then paying them, right? So in this case, you can start off with really cheap items that you can sell for a really cheap price, but then maybe double or triple the price online. And then that way, even though you're paying for that item at the first place, you're making double, triple your money at the end of the day. So over time, as you develop a rapport with this offline vendor, then they can start giving you these items, and then you can just go ahead and deliver. Once it's delivered, then you pay it to them. So this is the way you can develop the rapport, because I understand that not every vendor, especially when they don't know you, they don't just want to give anybody their product. So in case if you run into this, because you're prone to run into this if the vendor doesn't actually know you, you can start off with the really cheap ones so that over time you've already developed rapport with the vendor, and then over time you'll be able to give you his higher priced items. So you can do that. All right, so the second one is affiliate programs, or in this case, Jumia affiliates. So basically what it is that you sign up for Jumia as an affiliate, and then basically what happens then is that Jumia gives you access to all the millions and millions of products that they have on their platform. And then by doing this, all you just have to do is look for the products that you're interested in selling, and then what you just do is copy the link and then convert the link to your link, so that whoever purchases that product with your link now, you will get paid. That is basically how Jumia affiliates work. So any product that you find on the Jumia platform, you can sell as your own and then make money. But you don't have to do the delivery, you don't have to do the shipping, you don't even have to do anything. All you just have to do is share the link, and anybody that's interested in buying that product, voila, you get paid. That is just how it works. And obviously, I've made a video about this on my channel already, so you're going to find the link over here or in the description below. So definitely get started with that if you're interested in that. So on to the next one. Now, the third one is by buying products for people and having it delivered to them. And by doing this, you get paid. Well, how does this work? Now, how this works is by becoming a Jumia JForce agent. Then after becoming a Jumia JForce agent, the next thing you need to do is by looking through the millions and millions of products that Jumia has on their platform. And then once you've seen something that you're interested in selling, or you think you can sell to people, basically what I mean, when I say sell, I don't mean you're going door to door and trying to sell the product. I mean, you're just sharing the picture of the item, you're just sharing the item or sharing it with your contacts, as many products as possible, right? So once you've seen the products you're interested in, take their pictures, share it with your contacts, or you can choose to advertise it yourself, anyone you want to do, right? As long as people are interested, then they're going to message you, and then by messaging you, they're going to tell you they're interested in the product. Then all you just have to do is collect their details and then purchase the item for them. You don't even have to even make it a prepaid item. Purchase the item for them, cash on delivery, and then Jumia goes ahead and delivers that product to that customer. Once the customer pays Jumia, Jumia turns around and pays you. So it's not really, so it's kind of like affiliates, but it's not actually like affiliates. Affiliates, all you just have to do is give them a link. But with Jumia JForce, what you have to do is, after becoming a JForce agent, then show the products to the customer, and then when the customer is interested in the product, then you will now go ahead and place the order for them. That is just the difference. So with Jumia affiliates, you give them a link, they do all that on their own. But with Jumia JForce, you place the order for them and have it delivered to their address. and then after that you're paid. So at the end of the day, you can do all this. It's all about your dedication and how much you really want to make money with no money down, and then just start right away and start growing yourself. This is how people actually grow and then they become big. It's by doing all these things and being dedicated to do all these things, and then over time they start growing and growing and growing because of the snowball effect, or what's called the compound effect. By the way guys, everything I've mentioned in this video, I made a video about it on my channel already, so just hit the description below and click on any links that you're interested in, or click over here. You're going to find them over there as well. The reason why I'm actually doing this is because I have a ton of new subscribers now. So if you're one of the new subscribers and you're watching this, welcome. I really appreciate you for subscribing to my channel. Actually, what I do on this channel is I talk about business and how you can make money online. So if you're very interested in it, just stay tuned, because that's all this channel is about, how you can make money online, right? So I really appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. And if you're new watching this, you've still not subscribed, please hit the subscription button below and also hit the bell icon right next to it, so whenever I release a new video, because I release a new video every week, you'll be the first to be notified when that happens. So anyways, that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys soon. Cheers.